Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English Glow. Today we are going to learn about the next pronoun known as reflexive pronoun. Let's see what is reflexive pronoun. A reflexive pronoun is used when the subject needs to refer to itself in the same sentence. Simply, it is formed by adding self or selves. Let's see some reflexive pronoun used instead of personal pronouns. Me, reflexive pronoun is myself. For us, reflexive pronoun is ourselves. You, yourself and yourselves, which is singular, yourself is used. It is plural, yourselves is used. For it, reflexive pronoun itself. For her, reflexive pronoun herself. For him, reflexive pronoun himself. For them, reflexive pronoun themselves. Let's see some examples. I bought a book for me. In this, I subject, me object, both are referred to the same person. So I can use the reflexive pronoun. I bought a book for myself. In this, myself is a reflexive pronoun which refers the subject I. We build a house for us. In this, we and us are refers to the same person, so I can use a reflexive pronoun. We build a house for ourselves. In this, ourself is a reflexive pronoun which refers the subject we. You must take care of you. In this, the both you are refers the same person, so I can use a reflexive pronoun. You must take care of yourself. In this, yourself is a reflexive pronoun which refers the subject you. He baked the cake for him. In this, he and him are refers to the same person, so I can use a reflexive pronoun himself. He baked the cake for himself. In this, himself is a reflexive pronoun which refers the subject he. She cooked dinner for her. In this, she and her are refers to the same person, so I can use a reflexive pronoun herself. She cooked dinner for herself. In this, reflexive pronoun which refers the subject she. The dog heard it. In the sentence, the dog and it refers to the same thing, so I can use a reflexive pronoun. The dog heard itself. In this, itself is a reflexive pronoun which refers the subject dog or it. They arranged party for them. In this, the they and them are referred to the same person, so I can use a reflexive pronoun. They arranged party for themselves. In this, the themselves is a reflexive pronoun which refers the subject they. Let's see the summarization of reflexive pronoun. The first person singular, myself used as a reflexive pronoun. First person plural, ourselves. The second person singular, yourself used as a singular reflexive pronoun. And the second person plural, yourselves used as a reflexive pronoun. In third person, there are three singular reflexive pronouns: himself, herself and itself. And plural reflexive pronoun in third person is themselves. Let's do this activity with filling the blanks using reflexive pronoun and comment your answers below. Let's finish today's lesson. Hope you enjoy your today's lesson. Bye guys and join with my next lesson.